Our ingredients are as follows: Ghana black soup, produced from ashes of plants and tree bark like from plantain, cocoa pods, palm tree leaves, and shea trees. It was first created in Ghana centuries ago. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading. Oatmeal powder provides soothing relief to itchy, dry, and irritated skin. Whitening glycerin attracts moisture to the skin and treats oily skin conditions. Vitamin C is necessary for wound healing and needed for many functions in the body. Goat milk powder works for all skin types and has multiple benefits. Rice powder is used as a thickening agent. Aloe vera gel can soothe sunburns and fight acne. Cinnamon powder is loaded with antibacterial properties to reduce skin infections and exfoliate the skin. Coconut oil hydrates skin for 24 hours and helps to improve skin elasticity and collagen production. Castor oil reduces pigmentation and helps lighten dark spots. Make sure your honey is original. It helps get rid of blackheads by removing dirt from the pores. And it is great for slowing down aging, and it makes skin to glow. Black seed oil, known to have a cure for every disease except death, controls the oil in our skin. Clove oil prevents allergies and bacterial growth in the skin. Vitamin E oil makes the nerves stronger and helps in nourishing your skin from within. Lavender oil has pleasant fragrance and it is stress relieving. It is optional. You can decide to add it or not. It smells so good and will make your soup to smell really nice. Licorice extract serves as nature's skin brightener and keeps your skin hydrated. Kojic powder used to lighten sun damage, age spots, or scars. Camwood is believed to have antiseptic and skin balancing properties. Sandalwood heals dry skin, exfoliates the skin, and enhances skin brightness. Sulphuric helps to clarify the skin, banish excess oil, and minimizes pores. Neem helps in healing skin problems like rashes, irritation, burns, and so on. Organic natural orange peel powder contains natural bleaching agents. Quantities and measurements are very important when it comes to soap mixtures. So please make sure you add the exact quantity as prescribed. Thank you. Rub oil inside the mortar to prevent soup from sticking to the mortar. Break the organic black soup into pieces. I'm adding the honey without measuring it. And make sure it's original. Don't go and buy a fake honey, please. One tablespoon of licorice extract. One tablespoon of rice powder. 1 tablespoon of camwood powder, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of vitamin C powder, 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon of sulphuric powder, 1 tablespoon of neem leaf powder, 1 tablespoon of goat milk powder, 1 tablespoon of kojic powder, 1 cup of papaya puree. It hydrates the skin and prevents it from being dull looking, and it works as a natural and effective exfoliator. One tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon for all of the oils, 1 tablespoon of sandalwood, one tablespoon of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of lavender oil, and it is optional. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It removes dead skin cells and makes your skin glow. So everything is set now. So let's pound. So guys, this is our DIY black soup for whitening. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you really like this video, and please subscribe for new videos too. The color will change to black when it settles and hard to. Apply it 5 minutes before you bath and see how glow your skin will look.